Hello to you fashionistas and my queenette. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you have a warm welcome. This video, I review two of the handbags that I purchased during the month of my birthday. I purchased a Rejane Moynat bag and a Stave bag. I am going to give you guys a review, a recap on how the craftsmanship to what set this bag apart from other handbags that is in the luxury market. When I did my luxury haul for my birthday, I did not go into details. I just share on what I got. Let's start with the Rejane Moynat bag. Let's start with this bag. This is the Rejane Moynat bag. This bag is in a size PM and the color blue. I will also put the name of this color for you guys on the screen so you guys will know the name for this. It's in a size PM. It has a silver or platinum hardware. This bag is handcrafted. The craftsmanship for me, it's impeccable. This is a premium ultra luxury handbag. What makes this bag rise above all the others and become a classic, iconic bag from this brand? It's the heritage of this bag. It's a French luxury atelier that was founded in 1849. It's best for its finest luxury leather goods. Its craftsmanship, it's a standard that is mostly still done by hand up to this day, even since the beginning of its founding. And it's one of the brands that's still left in this day and age that is still handcraft their handbags. My name is Saudi from Hilo Fashion House. I produce content that focuses on the finest fashion and style inspiration for every woman who is looking after to look her best. Or if you are someone that loves luxury fashion on a great find, then my content is geared towards you. The handle of this bag poses as a top handle handbag. It has a curve here that is handcrafted and also hand painted here. If you look at a doctor's bag, the shape of this bag is similar to a doctor's bag, but it's not a doctor's bag. This bag poses very elegant and sophisticated than a doctor's bag. It also have a key here or a cochette. If you ever see the Hermes Epsom leather or the Prada Saffiano leather, this leather is similar to that. It's scratch resistant, so it's durable. This for me, it's just a very nice leather. It's smooth, it's nice, it's scratch resistant. The only thing I have to worry about is the palladium hardware, like scratching. But the bag itself, no. It's also easy to clean if something happens to it. Like if I put something on it, it's very easy to clean. It's one of the most durable leather from this brand. This is how you open the closure. You push and it opens. It has this like the closure that you put when you close it like this. When you open, you also open it this way. It's lined inside. It's very spacious. It has a one zipper compartment and also the stamp here that says Moynat Paris, France in a palladium stamp, a silver stamp. That is the leather. It's fully lined inside with a very nice soft leather. The leather that it's lined inside, it's so soft and buttery. It feels like a lambskin leather. This bag also comes with dust bag. It's so heavy. It's brown. The stitching of this handbag is so impeccable. You see no faults on the stitching. This is a very nice and a very well crafted leather. You can tell this is sought from the finest luxury leather goods in the world, the leather of this bag. And the craftsmanship is just something that you can really appreciate on how this bag is well crafted. I just love this. This is a bag that poses for elegancy, it poses for sophisticated, it poses for a rich anti vibe. This is what you call quiet luxury. This is what I call luxury that you know. When I carry this bag, you can't even tell if I'm carrying a luxury, an ultra premium luxury handbag. You are just thinking that I'm just carrying a nice bag with a nice color. That is always has been my aesthetic, my vibe that I'm going for when I am buying this classic luxury handbag, when I am splurging and make bad decision of splurging on this luxury handbag, because auntie here doesn't have money. Auntie just love to splurge and make these bad decisions. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you like this video, please give this video a like and also comment below. My channel is not just focuses on about the views and clicks. I do love the views and clicks, which will expose me to more viewers and subscribers. But I am being authentic. I am being real on my channel. I don't produce content that will just give me views and click. My content that I produce is something that is so personal to me, and I'm sharing with you. So if you are someone that you love luxury pieces on a great find, like great bargains and everything, consider subscribing to this channel, because this bag was found on a great bargain. I purchased this bag from Fashion File for $1,800. Retail price for this bag is over 5,000 US dollars. So you do the math. For me, even though I'm making these bad decisions on how I spent my money, but this is also a great find for me. So consider subscribing, and let's enjoy this bag as I'm giving you 360 before we move forward to the next handbag. So enjoy the Rejane bag. It's a very nice crafted handbag that's the craftsmanship for me. It's compared to Hermes. It's handmade, one artist. Such leather is sought from the finest leathers in the world, and it's one of the brands that still handcrafted their handbag from the beginning to the end, just like the renowned Hermes handbag. So if you are in the market of getting a handbag that is similar to Hermes, Kelly, Birkin, Constant, let me tell you, look into Moynat. You are getting the craftsmanship, the quality, the same as Hermes for a fraction of the price of Hermes. So let's move on to the next handbag, the Stave bag. This bag, it's one of a kind. When I said one of a kind, it's one of the newest handbags, but it hasn't has that heritage that makes this bag prestige in terms of heritage. But in terms of quality, best leather sought out, this Stave bag, it's an ultra luxury premium handbag. When you look into the tiers of luxury, we have the accessible, which is the coach, the skate pits. As the touch goes up, where you getting into the premium, the ultra premium, and the bespoke. This, for me, I considered it as a bespoke, even though its heritage hasn't been that long. I'll consider this as a bespoke. Why? It's because of it's an exotic skin. This brand, it focuses on exotic skin, and bespoke luxury handbags are exotic skin. Have bags that you don't see out there, are bags that you don't even know if they exist, and that's what this bag it poses. This bag, it's a lizard handbag. This is a handbag that is made with 24 karat gold hardware. Look how shining this exotic skin is. This is an exotic skin. This is a very tiny bag, but it's very functional. It has a functionality on it. The brand was launched in 2014, a campaign that was launched with Barnes New York with the designer. In 2017, the brand changes the way they make their hardware to 24 carats. He wants to give us all the luxury, the quality, and the craftsmanship. His exotic skins are grade to a 1. These exotic skins are sought from the world's finest. It's also handcrafted, but its craftsmanship and its quality, it's compared to mostly with the ones that has a long-standing heritage. See the stitching? It's also hand stitch. It's hand stitch. It also has a corset with a key lock here. It has a small pocket compartment here that is also lined with a black leather. The leather is so soft, it's roomy, so it's a very small bag that is perfect for daytime and evening formal event. It's very perfect. It can be wear evening and also be dressed down. It also has a strap for a shoulder strap, just in case you want to wear it as a shoulder strap. And the strap is quite long too. This is the Stave bag, the 2.0 in a color pink on an exotic skin. Tell me on the comments below, do you love the Moynat or the Stave? Which one is your most favorite and which one is your least favorite? Which one that you are thinking to check on and appreciate the craftsmanship? Maybe that will help you to consider buying your own. Let me know on the comments below. If you like this kind of video, please consider to subscribe, consider to give this video a like, and also share this video. Please don't forget to put your notification bell. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. Please remember to stay blessed and be fabulous. See you guys on my next video. Cha cha.